Hello, my dear children. Welcome to your English class. Today, we will see the first unit, 3 Questions by Leo Tolstoy. So, Leo Tolstoy was a Russian writer who is regarded as one of the greatest authors of all time. He was born on 9th September 1828 and died on 20th November 1910. Some of his books include War and Peace, Anna Karenina, The Death of Ivan Ilyich in 1886, Resurrection in 1899, Childhood, and many more. So today we will see the chapter 3 Questions by Leo Tolstoy. A king has 3 questions and he is seeking answers to them. What are the questions? Does the king get what he wants? Now we shall see the textbook in detail. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 things. These 3 things were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? The king, therefore, sent messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these 3 questions. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. So, once there was a king. He was very much curious to know the answers for 3 questions. So, in order to be a successful ruler, he must know the answer of 3 questions. And which all are that 3 questions? First one, what is the right time to begin something? Second question, which people should he listen to? And the third question, what is the most important thing for him to do? And the king sent messengers in all directions to find people who could answer these questions. Many wise men came, but their answers were all different. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly, without help from others, the right time for every action. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent, These things could not wait for the decision of the council. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. The king, therefore, would have to go to magicians. So, for the first question, some of them felt that the king should follow a timetable, while there were others who felt that it is not possible to decide the right time for doing something in advance. So there were many suggestions regarding the questions. So some said that there need a timetable, whereas the others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. So what is the meaning of council? Council means a group of people chosen to give advice or to make rules. So, if there is council of wise men, the king will get different opinions. And this was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others for the right action. So, in order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into the future, and only magicians could do that. That was the next suggestion from the people. Therefore, the king would have to go to the magicians. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the priest. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. So what was the second question? The second question was, which people should he listen to? Isn't it? So in their answers to the second question, some said that king should follow his counselors, while others thought it was the priest whom the king should listen to. Then there were those who felt that it was the doctor the king should obey, while there were many in favor of soldiers. To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. So what was the third question? What is the most important thing for him to do, isn't it? So what was the answer for that? For the third question, some wise men said science should be of highest priority for the king, while others said it's religion. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. So what is the meaning of hermit? It means a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. That is what is the meaning of hermit. A person who lives alone and leads a simple life. So, as the king was not satisfied with these answers given by many people, and as they were so different from each other, he didn't give any reward to anyone and thought to seek consultation of a wise hermit who lived in a jungle. What is the meaning of wisdom? Wisdom means knowledge. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people. And so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. The king went up to the hermit and said, "I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important?" The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. "You are tired," said the king. "Let me take the spade and work in your place." "Thanks," said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. So the king came near to a hermit who lived in the jungle. What is the meaning of wood? Wood means jungle. The hermit will see only ordinary people. So the king dressed up like a normal man, leaving behind his horse and bodyguards, and went to the hermit's hut. At that time, the hermit was busy digging the ground in front of his house, and he was an old man. The king told the hermit that he has come in search of answer for his 3 questions and repeated those questions. While hermit listened to the king but did not speak, he continued his act of digging. Then the king said that, "You are tired. Let me take the spade and work in your place." So the hermit thanked the king and given the spade, and he sat down on the ground.